to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to solve question number 3 from the exercise 2.7. This is under CBSE Standard 7 syllabus. So here we have to solve this division numerical. Into that the first one is 2.7 in division 100 is there. So here first we are converting these two numbers into their fraction form. So 2.7 we are writing 27. After decimal point one number is there, so we are going to write here 10. Then division sign, and this is a whole number, so we are writing 1 in its denominator. Now in the next step, we are going to convert this division sign into multiplication sign, and this fraction we are writing in its reciprocal form. So here 100 divided by 1 is there, so here we are writing 1 in division 100. Now this is simple multiplication. 27 into 1 is 27 and 10 into 100 is 1000. Now this fraction we need to convert it into its decimal form. So first we are writing this number and let us check that how many zeros are there into its denominator. So 3 zeros are there, so we have to count 3 numbers from the right side. 1, 2. And since there is no number, we are putting 0 here and we are putting decimal point because we need 3 numbers to cut. We need 3 numbers to put the decimal point because there are 3 zeros into its denominator. There is 1000 in its denominator. So 1, 2 and 3, and one more 0 we will put here because there is no other number. So the answer is 0.027. Then the next is 0.3 in division 100 is there. So one more method we can follow here is we can write 0.3 in division 100. If we are not following this method, then we can do this directly, that 0.3 in division 100 is there. Now decimal point is already here and in denominator 2 zeros are there. So still we require 2 more numbers to shift this decimal number over left hand side. So 0.3 is there and we require 2 more numbers. So 1 number and 2 number. So this decimal point will come or this decimal point will shift here. So our answer is going to be 0.003. This we can directly write from this fraction that 0.3 is there and still 2 more numbers we require to shift this decimal point. If this is difficult, then we can follow this method also. Third numerical is 0.78 in division 100 is there. So let us first convert this into fraction form, that 78 in division 100, because after decimal point there are 2 numbers. So 100 and then in division 100 is there, 100 is a whole number, so we are writing 1 in its denominator. The next is 78 in denominator 100. This we are changing it to multiplication sign and this fraction we are converting it in its reciprocal. So now we are going to get here 78 in denominator, 10,000 will be there. So here 78 in denominator, 10,000 will be there because here we are going to multiply 100 into 100. Now in denominator 4 zeros are there, so from the right side we have to count 4 numbers. So 78 is already there. Since there is no other number, we are going to put 1 number and 1 more number is there, we need to count. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So after that we are putting decimal point here and then the 0. So this is going to be our answer, that 0.0078. Since there are 4 zeros in its denominator, we have counted 1, 2, 3 and 4 numbers from the right side. Fourth numerical is 432.6 in division 100 is there. So let us first convert this into its fraction form, that 4326, and in division after decimal 1 number is there, so we are going to write here 10. Then division and 100 is there, so we are going to write 1 in its denominator. 4326 in division 10. Now convert this division sign into multiplication sign, and now we are taking reciprocal of this fraction. So 100 divided by 1 will become 1 divided by 100. Now 4326, in its denominator 10 into 100 is there. So we are going to get here 1000. So now we have to convert this into its decimal form. So let us write this number 4326. Now in denominator 3 zeros are there. So we have to count 3 numbers from the right side, that 1, 2 and 3. So here we are going to put decimal point. Then next is 23.6 in division 100 is there. So first we are converting this into its fraction form. So 236 in division 10 dividing with 100, and that is whole number. So we are going to write here 1. In next step, this division we are going to convert in multiplication. So this division sign we have converted into multiplication sign. This fraction's reciprocal we are taking. So 1 divided by 100. So in next step, let us multiply this. So 236 in division 10 into 100. So we are going to get here 1000. So the next is we have to convert this fraction into its decimal form. So 236. Now in denominator 1000 is there. So from the right side we have to count 1, 2 and 3 number. So here we are going to put decimal point, and one more 0 we will put here because there are no more numbers. The next is 98.53 in division 100. So let us first convert this into its fraction form. 9853 in division 100 will be there, because after decimal point there are 2 numbers. So in division 100, and this is whole number, so in its denominator 1 will be there. Now we are converting this fraction division into multiplication. So here multiplication sign, and we are taking this fraction's reciprocal. So 1 divided by 100. Now we will get 9853 in division 100 into 100. So we will get here 10,000 in its denominator. Now let us convert this into decimal form. 1853. So now how many numbers we have to count from the right side? 4 numbers, because in denominator 4 zeros are there. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Since there is no other number, we will put here decimal point and 1 0. So this is going to be our answer, that 0.9853. So hope this video has solved your doubt and you understood the concept well. I'll see you in next video with some more new sums and new concepts. So don't forget to subscribe, learn yourself. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing.